The herb we are going to talk about is not just a wellness remedy. It's a treasure that has been passed down through generations, a wisdom that has been shared among communities. Its historical use provides a foundation for why it continues to be a key player in the conversation around liver health today. People have been turning to this herb for centuries, recognizing its potential to support liver health. From acting as an antioxidant, fighting off free radicals, to promoting natural detoxification processes, it's like a superhero for our livers. We've got a couple of stories that might resonate with you, shedding light on how this herb has played a role in their lives. The specific herb is called milk thistle, and in this video we'll tell you how milk thistle contributes to liver cleanse and repair, some practical ways to incorporate it into your routine, and even touch on potential side effects, because we want to keep things transparent. You might be wondering, what exactly is this plant, and why should I care? Milk thistle, scientifically known as Silybum marianum, is a prickly plant with distinctive purple flowers. It's not just any plant. It's got a special compound called silymarin, and this is where the magic happens. Silymarin is like the superhero cape, providing milk thistle with its incredible powers. So, let's talk about the modern benefits of milk thistle for liver health. And if you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informational health-related videos. Milk thistle is like a guardian angel for your liver. First off, it's loaded with antioxidants. Think of these antioxidants as your liver's best friends, helping to combat those pesky free radicals that can cause damage. So, milk thistle isn't just supporting your liver, it's giving it a shield against oxidative stress. But wait, there's more. Milk thistle doesn't just stop at defense, it's also a proactive player in promoting detoxification. Your liver is a powerhouse when it comes to filtering out toxins, and milk thistle steps in to support this natural detox process. It's like giving your liver a spa day, helping it flush out unwanted substances and keep things running smoothly. This isn't just hearsay. There's scientific backing to these claims. Studies have shown that the active compound, silymarin, in milk thistle contributes to liver protection and overall health. So milk thistle isn't just a passive observer in your liver's journey. It's an active participant, a superhero sidekick boosting your liver's defenses and detoxifying prowess. Now, we're about to discuss the incredible benefits of milk thistle in liver cleansing, and you might be wondering, how does milk thistle play a role in this cleansing process? Milk thistle is like a gentle detox conductor for your liver. Imagine it as the soothing guide that helps your liver navigate through the bustling detoxification pathways. One of its key strengths lies in supporting the removal of toxins that can accumulate over time, giving your liver a well-deserved spring cleaning. You see, our livers work hard day in and day out, processing everything we consume. Sometimes it could use a little extra support, and that's where milk thistle steps in. By enhancing the liver's ability to flush out toxins, milk thistle contributes to a cleaner and healthier internal environment. But here's the beauty of it. While milk thistle is promoting this cleanse, it's doing so without disrupting the delicate balance of your body. It's not a harsh, drastic cleanse. It's more like a gentle nudge, encouraging your liver to function at its best. So, if you're someone who's looking for a natural way to assist your liver in its cleansing duties, milk thistle could be the wellness companion you've been searching for. Now let's talk about regenerative properties of milk thistle. You know, our livers are resilient, but life's challenges can take a toll. Milk thistle, with its active compound silymarin, is like a repair crew for your liver cells. It's been suggested to have regenerative properties, helping damaged liver cells bounce back and rejuvenate. Just imagine, After a tough day at work, your liver cells might be a bit worn out. Milk thistle steps in to help the liver, supporting the regeneration of liver cells. It's like providing a refreshing makeover to your liver's internal landscape. Dear listener, you might be wondering, how can I make this powerhouse herb a part of my life? Well, let's break it down. First off, milk thistle comes in various forms, so you've got options. One popular choice is supplements, easy to find, convenient, and often standardized for silimarin content. Just pop a capsule and you're good to go. If you're more of a tea lover, milk thistle tea is a soothing option. It might not have the instant gratification of a supplement, but it's a gentle way to introduce milk thistle into your routine. Sip your way to liver wellness. For the culinary adventurers out there, you can incorporate milk thistle seeds into your meals. Add them to salads, sprinkle them on your yogurt. Get creative. The seeds have a slightly nutty flavor, making them a versatile addition to your culinary creations. But always keep an eye on the dosage. Whether you choose supplements, tea, or seeds, moderation is key. It's like the saying goes, too much of a good thing can have consequences. Remember, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs. Dear viewer, we've explored the wonderful ways milk thistle can benefit your liver. Let's talk about the fine print, potential side effects, and considerations. Milk thistle is generally well tolerated. Some people may experience mild digestive issues like an upset stomach or diarrhea. If you have allergies to plants like ragweed, marigolds, or daisies, there's a chance you could be allergic to milk thistle too. It's like nature's way of connecting the dots, so if you have known allergies, approach with caution. Remember, your health is unique, and what works for someone else might not be an exact fit for you. Embrace your individuality, listen to your body, and make informed choices. If you found this journey through milk thistle enlightening, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health adventures. We're here to empower you with knowledge on your quest for well-being. Thank you for being part of our health community. If you have specific topics you'd like us to dive into, or if there's a health-related question on your mind, drop it in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel, please. Let me know in the comments box which topic you need in our next video. I have been uploading these videos after complete research, so I would highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel. I'm sure you would not repent on this decision of subscribing to this channel.